Hello, and a very warm welcome to Global Glimpse. Here we venture to the far corners of our planet. Today, our journey takes us to a peninsula of remarkable contrasts. Ancient swamps, modern cities, serene coastlines, and powerful storms. Get ready for stunning drone footage and captivating visuals as we explore the Sunshine State. Today we're uncovering 50 fascinating geographical facts about Florida that you probably didn't know. Fact 1. Florida has the longest coastline in the contiguous United States. Fact 2. The Everglades is the only place where alligators and crocodiles coexist naturally. Fact 3. Florida is home to over 7,800 lakes. Fact 4. Florida's highest point, Britton Hill, is only 345 feet above sea level. Fact 5. Key West marks the southernmost point in the continental United States. Fact 6. Florida has over 1,000 golf courses, a golfer's paradise. Fact 7. The St. Johns River famously flows north. Fact 8. The Everglades is the largest subtropical wilderness in the U.S. Fact 9. Florida is known as America's lightning capital. Fact 10. The Florida Reef is the only living barrier reef in North America. Fact 11. Over 900 freshwater springs bubble up from ancient limestone. Fact 12. Florida is the flattest state in the U.S. Fact 13. The Okeechobee Waterway links the Atlantic and the Gulf of Mexico. Fact 14. The Florida Keys archipelago includes over 1,700 islands. Fact 15. Florida's nickname is the Sunshine State. Fact 16. Florida is the only state bordering both the Atlantic and the Gulf of Mexico. Fact 17. St. Augustine is the oldest continuously inhabited European established city in the U.S. Fact 18. Florida's coastline stretches for over 1,300 miles. Fact 19. Miami Beach has the world's largest collection of Art Deco architecture. Fact 20. The Panhandle is in Central Time while the Peninsula is in Eastern Time. Fact 21. Lake Okeechobee is a vast freshwater sea at the state's heart. Fact 22. Florida's climate shifts from subtropical in the north to tropical in the south. Fact 23. Florida is a world-leading producer of oranges and grapefruits. Fact 24. The Gulf Stream flows northward along Florida's east coast. Fact 25. Beyond the Keys, Florida has more than 4,500 distinct islands. Fact 26. The Bellevue Biltmore is among the world's largest occupied wooden structures. Fact 27. Jacksonville is the largest city by area in the contiguous United States. Fact 28. The Sabal palm is Florida's official state tree. Fact 29. The rare Florida panther is the state animal and endangered. Fact 30. The Miami metro area is the most populous region in Florida. Fact 31. Florida provides the only natural habitat for manatees in the U.S. Fact 32. Florida's beaches attract over 100 million visitors each year. Fact 33. There are over 700 miles of sandy beaches in Florida. Fact 34. Apalachicola is the largest of Florida's national forests. Fact 35. The orange blossom is Florida's official state flower. Fact 36. Florida has the lowest average elevation of any U.S. state. Fact 37. The Everglades again. A unique sprawling wetland ecosystem. Fact 38. The Florida Reef is the third largest coral barrier system in the world. Fact 39. Silver Springs is one of the state's largest and clearest spring systems. Fact 40. The American alligator is Florida's official state reptile. Fact 41. The Bellevue Biltmore remains a celebrated wooden wonder. Fact 42. By population, Jacksonville is one of the state's largest cities. Fact 43. The northern mockingbird is Florida's state bird. Fact 44. The manatee is Florida's official marine mammal. Fact 45. The dolphin is Florida's official saltwater mammal. Fact 46. The zebra longwing is Florida's state butterfly. Fact 47. Coreopsis is Florida's state wildflower. Fact 48. The magnificent horse conch is Florida's official state shell. Fact 49. Moonstone is Florida's state gem, found on some beaches. Fact 50. The key lime pie is Florida's official state pie. And so our exploration of Florida's remarkable geography comes to a close, a land of endless wonder. Thanks for watching Global Glimpse. If you enjoyed these facts, subscribe and hit the bell. Until our next journey, stay curious.